Looking for the best cordless drill to tackle your next project? We've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the top cordless drills on the market, helping you find the perfect one for power, performance, and durability. We upload quality videos daily to bring you the best product recommendations, so stick around, and if you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more. Number 1. Makita F7R1 12 volts brushless. One of the first things we noticed about this Makita drill was its lightweight, compact size, making it well-suited for smaller jobs. At just 6.5 inches long and 2.3 pounds, with an ergonomic grip to boot, the drill fits comfortably into tight spots where many others won't. Makita's brushless motor makes the most of the 12 volts of lithium-ion battery power, which is plenty for everyday tasks, such as drilling holes to hang pictures. We started with a fully charged battery and inserted a paddle bit. The drill comes with 2 power settings, and we selected the lowest to have sufficient torque for drilling through our test wood. We drilled dozens of holes and then switched to a hole saw bit. The 12-volt 2-amp-hour battery didn't start to show signs of exhaustion for a full 35 minutes of drilling. Keep in mind that we were drilling holes repeatedly, which put more pressure on the drill than is typical for most situations, so battery run times are understandably reduced. Number 2. Black+Decker X120C 20 volts max. We discovered that we didn't have to spend a lot of money to get a powerful cordless drill. Few brands have a better reputation for balancing quality and value than Black+Decker, and their 20-volt max cordless drill is a great example. After charging the battery, we started with a hole saw bit and drilled 2-inch holes in pine. The Black+Decker provided nearly as much power as the more expensive drills in this lineup, but it didn't have quite as much torque when we exerted a lot of pressure. Not to worry, it's not designed for heavy-duty drilling. It's intended for basic, around-the-house drilling and driving, and it does that exceptionally well. We tried a variety of bits, and the Black+Decker handled all but the largest auger bit. The battery went out around the 25-minute mark, so we paused to recharge. Number 3. Bosch GSR 12-volt 3-node FCB 22 12-volt max. Small but mighty, this Bosch cordless drill came with several quick-change attachments that allowed us to drill holes and insert screws in various settings. We quickly discovered why this Bosch drill features what the manufacturer calls the flexi-click system. The attachments connect via a simple push-and-click movement that locks them firmly in place. The drill has a standard attachment with a half-inch chuck that accepts most drill and screw bits. It also has an offset attachment that allowed us to adjust the position of the bit to fit in hard-to-reach spots, and an angle attachment that gives the Bosch drill a multi-position head for drilling at various slants. While this is just a 12-volt model, we found it had ample power and torque to drill holes in dimensional lumber using even a paddle bit. We also found the 20-position clutch helpful for adjusting the torque to keep from stripping out screw heads in both hardwood and softwood. Number 4. Bosch PS31-2A 12 volts max. We were impressed by both the compact size and the bright LED light on the Bosch cordless drill. It delivers a surprising amount of practical power in a remarkably diminutive package. It weighs a little more than 2 pounds and comes with a teat-inch chuck. 2 speed ranges provide good versatility for all kinds of drilling and driving tasks. There's also a battery charge indicator light on the side. We tested this model's drilling power with a paddle bit and regular bits, and it performed flawlessly when drilling in pine. It kept chugging along when we drilled in ash wood, but after drilling dozens of holes in the harder wood, the body of the drill became quite warm. We realized, however, that we were pushing the Bosch drill beyond what it was designed to do. We let it cool down and then tested its driving capabilities. Number 5. Makita DF12E 7.2 volts cordless driver drill kit. The standout feature of the 7.2 volts Makita cordless driver drill kit is its unique hinged body. DIYers can secure it in a pistol grip like a drill or inline like an electric screwdriver. Since most cordless drills come with a pistol grip, We were anxious to discover what, if any, benefits the cylindrical grip offered. With a fully charged battery, we started our tests with the pistol grip and a small paddle bit with a hex shank. It doesn't accept round shank bits, which is a bit of a downside. Since the Makita is a 7.2 volts drill driver, we didn't expect it to have as much power as other models we tested. Sure enough, it didn't, but it's not designed to rival a professional 20-volt drill. It's made to drill holes mostly in wood or drywall, and it does that quite well.